Right now, somewhere in your business, something is falling through the cracks. Maybe it's the follow-up that didn't happen, the proposal that went out late, the client who got a different experience from the one before, the invoice that had to be chased manually, the process that lives entirely in your head because nobody ever wrote it down. None of those things feel catastrophic on their own, but together they're the difference between a business that runs and a business that runs on you. That's what I want to talk about today, what a business operating system is, why it matters, and the 5 layers that make one work. Hi, I'm Chris Ray. I build business operating systems for consultants and SME businesses, and I've been building business systems for about 25 years. A pattern I see most often is this: smart people doing great work with no underlying structure holding it together. Today, I'm going to change how you think about that. So what is a business operating system? Think about your phone or your laptop. The operating system isn't the thing you use. It's the layer underneath everything else. It handles memory, storage, how different parts of the system talk to each other. Without it, you've got a collection of powerful components that don't work together. Your business needs the same thing. The work you do for clients is the application, but underneath it, there needs to be a layer that handles how information flows, how tasks get tracked, how clients get consistent experiences, how you know what the money is doing, and how the business learns from itself. Most service businesses don't have that layer. They have a collection of tools, spreadsheets, email threads, and tribal knowledge. That's not a system. That's organized chaos held together by whoever's been there the longest. A business operating system is built across 5 layers. I'm going to give you the overview today, and then each one gets its own dedicated video in this series. Layer 1, the pipeline. This is how a stranger becomes a signed client. Lead tracking, proposal stage management, follow-up sequences, source attribution, deal alert. The goal is that no opportunity falls through the cracks, and you always know exactly where each potential client sits in your process, built in Pipedrive. Layer 2, delivery. This is how you get consistent results for clients every time. Client onboarding, project milestone tracking, communication norms, document templates, offboarding process. The goal is that every client gets the same quality experience, regardless of which day of the week it is or how busy things are, all built in Notion. Layer 3, reporting. Visibility without manual effort. Monthly status reports, real-time project dashboards, weekly business reviews, client-facing updates, progress, documentation. The goal is that you'll always have a clear picture of what's happening across the business and with every client without having to pull together everything yourself. Built in Notion, automated through make.com. Layer 4, finance. Numbers that run themselves, automated invoicing, payment tracking, revenue forecasting, pipeline to income view, monthly revenue log. The goal is that you know exactly what's been agreed, what's been invoiced, what's been paid, and what's coming. Built in make.com, connected to Notion. Layer 5, knowledge. The business that knows itself. SOPs and process guides, client decision records, tool configuration notes, automation documentation, business review templates. The goal is that the business doesn't rely on any one person's memory. When something needs to be done, the answer exists somewhere that isn't someone's head, built in Notion. And the glue holding all of it together, make.com. The automation layer that connects each of these pillars so they work as a single system. New client comes in, Notion record gets created automatically. Deal won, project setup and welcome email sent. Invoice overdue, payment reminder triggered. First of the month, revenue log entry made, audit downloaded. Pipedrive lead created, project complete, offboarding sequence begins. That's what makes this a system rather than 5 separate tools. The automation layer means information flows between layers without anyone having to manually move it. When all 5 layers are working, something changes in the business. You stop being the single point of failure. Your team can answer their own questions. Clients get consistent professional experiences. You can see what's happening without calling a meeting to find out. And you actually have time to focus on the work that requires you specifically. That's what a business operating system does. Over the next 5 videos, I'll go deeper on each layer, what it looks like, how to build it, and the specific tools I use. But before you watch those, I suggest starting with my free business automation audit. It takes about 10 minutes and shows you exactly where your biggest gaps are right now across all 5 layers. There's a link in the description below. And if you're at the stage where you want someone to build this for you, why not book a free? The details are also below. I'll see you in the next video in this series.